Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Spark. Today let's change the color of water using turmeric, detergent and lemon juice. First we add some turmeric powder into a glass of water. It turns yellow, that's the natural color of turmeric in plain water. The reason is turmeric is yellow in neutral conditions like plain water. Now let's add a little detergent and stir it. Wow, the yellow water turns red. The reason is detergent is a base. Turmeric reacts to basic substances by changing color to red. Next, we add some lemon juice and mix it again. The red color disappears and it turns yellow once more. The reason is lemon juice is an acid. It cancels the base and turmeric changes back to yellow. This color change shows how turmeric reacts to acids as well as to the bases. Try this colorful experiment at home and don't forget to like and subscribe to Simple Spark for more easy science fun. Thank you.